What's up, everyone? This is Tony with JRNYcrypto. So I got another Dogecoin update for you guys. Elon Musk actually tweeted hinting at Doge as well, and now Doge is up another 300% in the last 24 hours. Passing 5 cents now is just insane. People are still calling for it to go to $1. So we're going to get into some very important stuff in this video involving Doge, and I'll show you guys the Elon Musk tweets and some other important stuff. So before we get started, I do appreciate if you guys like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I release new crypto videos. I'm doing 2 videos per day on very important stuff going on in the crypto space, so definitely hit the bell if you do want to be notified. So in my last video, just a few hours ago, we talked about GameStop and Wall Street bets, and now how Dogecoin is being pumped. Elon Musk actually tweeted hinting at Dogecoin shortly after I made that video, and it's up another 300% right now, going from around 2.5 cents now over 5 cents per Dogecoin. As you guys can see, up 570% on the 24-hour. The volume here for the last 24 hours is getting close to the volume of Ethereum, which is rank 2. So it's around half the 24-hour volume of Ethereum right now, which is just insane. As you guys can see, that's up 8,000% for the 24-hour volume. So another thing I want to point out here is Dogecoin and Google Trends for the past 7 days is just going straight parabolic in the last 24 hours, as you guys would imagine. Everyone's researching this, trying to figure out how to buy it and FOMOing in. So be very careful. If you think this is a good investment while it's up 500%, you should definitely expect a crash at some point. I never buy the peaks because that's extremely risky. And basically, if you're throwing money into Doge at a peak like that, you should just be expecting to lose all that money. It's not going to hit $1 overnight. Long term, it is possible, but the entire crypto space needs to evolve more in general. Now up 634%. This is just crazy how much people are FOMOing into this because they're expecting this to hit $1. A lot of new money is just piling into this, not even understanding the tokenomics, the circulating supply, how market cap works or anything, just buying into it without even looking, expecting it to hit that $1. So keep in mind, this is not financial advice. You should always do your own research and make your own financial decisions. Never take anyone's word for it. But I do want to give a quick warning about Doge hitting $1. For those that are waiting for Doge to hit $1 to sell at that point, that would put it at a $128 billion market cap and have it at 3rd in market cap right next to Ethereum. The crypto space needs to be in the multi-trillion global market cap for this to even be possible. So Doge was just below rank 20 and now is at rank 10. Just insane. It flipped Binance BNB. That is just insane because Binance BNB has an insane amount of utility and constantly growing. Honestly, this just shows the power of the internet and new money getting into the crypto space. And this is great for cryptos in general because I think it's going to break down barriers, mental barriers for people in the crypto space that cryptos can't pass a certain price or market cap, like Bitcoin not being able to break 40,000, Ethereum not able to break its all-time high. And I do think this is going to be the catalyst that sets the crypto space off. And I think this could possibly set Ethereum past $1,500. Once people start taking their profits out of Dogecoin, putting it into other cryptos, we're going to be seeing a lot of different altcoins pumping parabolically as well. So this is great for the crypto space in general. I do want to point out the tweets that Elon Musk did. So shortly after I did that last video, he did post this, Doge. He didn't even mention Dogecoin specifically, but obviously this is referring to Dogecoin. His previous bullish tweet on Doge was basically saying it's inevitable, and this was July 17th, 2020. Dogecoin standard global financial system, Dogecoin taking over. So Doge pumped when he posted this previously, but Doge is pumping way more right now. It's just insane, especially because the Wall Street bets is behind this. And now money is flipping out of the stock market into cryptos as well. And new money is just going all in on Dogecoin. Very risky, buying at 600%, just insanely high risk. As you guys can imagine, this is eventually going to be crashing off. People just buying this morning are up 500%. They're going to take profits at some point. So don't think that this is going to keep going to $1. Over time, long term, it might get to $1. But at that point, I would imagine everything else would be extremely much higher than it currently is as well. So some great advice from Elon Musk. He said, buy and hold companies that make goods and produce services you love. Definitely great advice. This is how I invest into cryptos. I find small cryptocurrencies that have a great long-term vision, a great team, and are building good utility for the token that I think is going to only become better and better as time goes on. Those are the type of coins I want to buy because I could rest assured that it's not going to dump overnight. Like coins that are going parabolic like this can easily dump a few hundred or 50% more overnight. So be very careful buying peaks. That's how people get wrecked very quickly, buying the peaks and then selling the bottoms and the dips. Basically, that's how new retail investors get into markets. They buy the peak, and then as it starts dropping off, they panic, and then they sell the bottom, which is exactly what these whales want in big traders. So this is great advice here from Elon Musk, and definitely a great way to think about investing. He also posted here the dollar is shorting itself, which is pretty funny. So GameStop posted this 6 hours ago as well. Really funny here. They're referring to Robinhood posting "Let the people trade" back in March of 2016. Ironic too that their name is Robinhood, and basically they're siding with the major corporations and institutions instead of the people. So GameStop posted this since they stopped the trading for GameStop today. So I think today is a groundbreaking day for cryptocurrencies, and that's because this really opened everyone's eyes to how manipulated stocks are and how cryptocurrencies are much less manipulated. And I will get into more in that comparing stocks to cryptocurrencies in my next video. So I did post what's happening to Dogecoin right now is exactly what the crypto space needs. It's only proving the power of the internet and the masses. This type of thing removes the mental barriers many people have with crypto and will spark a rush of new demand, which we're already seeing with Doge, and that's the starting point. Now people are going to be taking profits, flipping that into other cryptos. I really think we're going to be seeing a lot of cryptocurrencies start moving up very soon. Dogecoin up 850% now as I'm making this video, up another 200%, getting close to 7.5 cents. This is just ridiculous. So something else major that's coming up very soon, which should be in the next couple months, is PayPal launching crypto merchant payments, allowing millions of merchants to accept Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin as payment on their stores for the first time ever. This is going to create a flood of great news. Online stores accepting these cryptocurrencies as payment for the first time ever. So they did announce they will be launching this in Q1, which will be ending end of March. So I do expect that to be launching sometime in March. I do think Cardano is going to have a huge February as well. I keep seeing hints about this as well. So Litecoin I'm very bullish on for that launch of crypto merchant payments for PayPal because it is the cheapest cryptocurrency coin on PayPal, and I do think a lot of people would be buying this just because of that. So I do recommend signing up with multiple crypto platforms if you haven't already. It's always good to have multiple platforms ready to go and verified, so when you do want to cash out, there's no restrictions. We've also seen Coinbase and other platforms actually getting overwhelmed with traffic when people actually want to sell and they're just not able to log in and sell. So it is good to have multiple platforms ready to go and spread out your cryptocurrency. I do recommend Binance US here. I just talked to their CEO today, and basically they're hiring more people and they're working to improve the wait times for verification. So there is quite a bit of a wait for Binance US, so I definitely recommend doing this as soon as possible and getting verified. There is a link in the video description. I do appreciate if you use those links. If you're not in the United States, you can also sign up with Binance.com. Very low fees to buy cryptocurrencies, which is why they're so backed up. Everyone is signing up on these platforms, and they just weren't ready for this rush of demand all at once, but they are working on that. So I just wanted to give you guys another quick update to explain what's going on with Dogecoin, with Elon Musk talking about it, the richest person in the world mentioning this coin at the same time as this Wall Street Bets stuff and GameStop, all of this stuff with Robinhood and censorship. Even the Discord banned the Wall Street Bets group. So we're seeing a lot of censorship, and a lot of people are becoming aware to the fact that cryptocurrencies are much less manipulated than stocks, and a lot of people are jumping into stocks. So my next video, I will be going over cryptocurrency versus stocks, and we'll go into detail on that, and I'll explain why I'm so bullish on cryptocurrencies and why I think it's much better in the short term than stocks coming up very soon as well. So thank you guys again for watching. I hope you guys found the video useful. If you did, a free way to support the channel is like the video, comment below, and share the video anywhere on social media or with friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. I will be keeping you guys updated with at least 2 videos per day on major crypto news, hidden gems that I'm looking at. I'm actually starting a hidden gem series, 1 video a week on hidden gem of the week. So stay tuned for that as well. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.